No sound. Hans, you can blow. Yeah.
There we go. All right, can you guys hear me? Mic check. Can you guys hear me? Yep, yep. Can you guys hear me now? Hopefully that's a yes. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. That's a win. That's definitely a win. All right, man. Technology is not all that easy these days, bro. But we're not gonna give up. We're not gonna give up. We're not gonna give up. What's up, y'all? So yeah, as I was saying, welcome back. My bad, my bad, my bad. My apologies. Uh, you know, we switched over. I switched over to OBS instead of Streamlabs, so it can take some getting used to, but that's besides the point. I think price swept me just a few minutes ago. So instead of me like impulsively getting in, I'm gonna have to wait and see if price breaks uh, here and retraces. Then I'll probably like consider getting into another trade because in my humble opinion, I've seen a lot of setups in my lifetime, and this one does definitely not look like no buys. All right, maybe it's some new tricks going on with these markets, but I'm gonna stick to what I see, and if I get stopped out, then I get stopped out. You know, so yeah, that's just the name of the game. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out because like so far, that's what I see. Let me put my stop loss at 1961.8. And let's see what happens, bro. Woo! Last Thursday we got stopped out on some nut stuff, right? So let's see if we let's see if gold is definitely going to fall into our good graces today. In the meantime, let me check the higher time frames. Yeah, it would be pretty weird if we get a bullish push to the upside, but you just never know. Just never know. Anywho, it's 9:18, 9:18 Eastern time. So, uh, we just had core PPI, and the numbers came out negative. But with respect to this trend, I can see price coming back down just to retrace. So that's why I'm in these counter trade sells. All right, so back in business, loud and clear. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all and your patience. Yeah. All right, cool. Let me check the chat over here on Zoom. Oh, Jesus Christ. Can't see that, John. Oh, it's all the way over here. Wow. All right, so somebody said their buy's been bullish for the day since midnight open. Yeah, it be doing me dirty lately, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I have not seen price break structure and come back like that ever. But let's see if this is a indication. I'm not giving up on this just yet, man. Let's couple new tricks with this algo, I swear. All right, time to give the market time to move. Got my stop loss at 1961.8, so you know if that gets tapped, then obviously that means I'm out the game. All right. But in my opinion, what I'm looking at is like a mitigation to what occurred from 8:30, but it's 9 minutes until market opens, so we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. If I'm already in my cell, yeah, I'm in my cell. I have my stop loss a little bit above. You know what's funny? Price is at 1962. Ironically, that was where price was at last week. Oh man. Oh, man. So yes, I'm sell trade, cancel trade, always price book structure and but towards area. I have my stop loss a little bit slightly around the 1961.8, 1962s, and I'm anticipating at least price to go down to the 1950s. Are you going to wait for I think you meant fractal confirmation, like shift in market structure? Yeah, absolutely. Who thinks price is just gonna blast to the upside? Let me get a poll real quick. Who thinks price is just gonna violate my stop loss? Yep, the hardest part of trading is patience. Absolutely. AV Navy, what is your Instagram handle? I like your engagement today. I like your engagement today. You just might get a giveaway today. Keep it up, keep it up. I'm in a giving mood today. You guys have been going with me, so I appreciate it. All right, on the 81 or M30, this is how price looks. So in my opinion, like, we can at least retrace down to 1953 point three, or we can actually be spotting areas of imbalance, and at least from here, like, we probably see price actually maintain structure. So this is my bias. I don't know if you have any opposing bias for what I have. So let me just change the zone real quick. And yeah, let me check the chat. Go to GBP, USD, USD. Okay. Love. I'm seeing a double bottom on RSI, so I'm expecting bullish direction. Okay, my father, your stop will be just fine. All right, so we check EU. Damn, EU still bullish. We check EU. Yeah, they're still pushing up, so definitely gonna be seeing more stuff here. Even if it's like a retracement back down to like 1953.9, All right, the moment is almost here. It is 9. Is that a supply zone, the red zone in your chart? Yeah, it is. LUVOFX. All right, so thought on Euro USD. Looks like price is trying to retrace back down. These areas that we are anticipating, at least if price does retrace back down, could be the base of where price rallied. That's definitely a potential. But the way prices have been moving, like based on the dollar index, you see a continuation. So that's like I'm trying to be at the same time, because like you could see ugly structure push to the upside. It's that the price has been the cleanest lately. Some might agree, some might disagree, but I have not been seeing the cleanest price action lately. We'll see the break of structure, we'll see the resistance sweep above the sweep. Back in my day, I wasn't seeing that. So things definitely are slightly changing, whether we like to admit to it or not. But there are different variations of the algorithm lately, and to be honest, I think they coming for them smart money tricks. They're like, yeah, we got something for you. Oh yeah, you figured it out? You an ICT guy? Okay, cool. Let's add another layer. So I've definitely been feeling that. I've been experiencing that. I don't know about you guys. Yeah. Euro USD gave a change in structure. Okay, good to know. I will tell you guys, bro, I'm not about to switch too much from chart to chart. I like to just stick to just to make sure, because that's the stuff I'm looking at. Don't want to miss a beat. All right. Okay, it is 9:31. How's your day going, guys? Mine's going fantastic. just waiting for gold to show its loyalty. Obviously, that's not the market doesn't owe anybody any type of loyalty. So there's that, you know. But yeah. Besides that, life's great. Gold is selling, AV Navy says. By the way, I tried to check your Instagram and it was not pulling up. Or unless you're that one profile with like 0 pictures. Looks a little, yeah, let me know if that's you. 0 posts, 0, 0. Hey, is that one of your burner accounts? All right. My boy Asante said, so far so good. Good to hear. Rain said, hopped in late, but I'm chilling, man. Good. Yeah, let's see if we violated or not. Let's see. I'm not gonna lie, like whole OBS sound thing was getting me like low nervous. I was like, I'm trying to switch screens, man. That was not fun. I was not fun. All right, Gold. What you got for the boy? What you got for the crew? You gonna show love or you just gonna break hearts? Let's see. Looks like you're showing a little bit of love, y'all. Is that fake love or is that the real thing? You feel me? People want to know. I ain't gonna lie. Tight stop losses, you gotta be built different just to survive type stop losses. Like, it sounds cool and everything, but yo, minutes before markets start going in your direction, oh god, sweating bullets, trying to pump. $9:35. So we are 5 minutes into New York equities market open. Still paying attention to what gold's tendencies are doing. Okay. All right, you were missing something. Well, that makes sense. All right. I'll follow back after the call. It's definitely nice connecting with you. So yeah, Rain said M1 looking nice. I know. I know. Let's hope it just keeps looking nice to you. Let's anticipate some good market structures. Let's see if that's what's going to happen. Experiencing the market live and backtesting, two different things. Especially if you're on a lower time frame. Like if you're not used to lower time frame movement, you might get the jitters. All right, so 15 candle still does not look like convincing, but there's about 7 minutes left of that candle. But it's like the buying pressure is still on. Man, bro. right? They're still holding on. Ain't no telling what can happen. Go Bears! That's what I'm talking about, Rain. Go Bears! Go Bears! Go Bears! Go Bears! Go Bears! Anybody from Chicago? We need y'all to talk to your mates. You know, go knock doors, man. General managers, CBOE, like, we gotta do something. Anybody got any relatives that work in the market makers? I won't tell nobody. This is recorded, so if the SEC come in, hey, just know. This is all for jokes and entertainment, all right? Not trying to have y'all pin me down. Trying to build no case, all right? Hey, just to remind everybody, this is for educational purposes and entertainment, Trading carries high risk. Everybody's responsible and grown enough for their accounts. All right, this is not financial advice. Just had to say that twice. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, we got people watching from South Africa. That's what I'm talking about. Motherland. Oh, man. Oh, man. You want to know what the worst thing about trading is? Well, top 10. Being patient and not getting a reward. That has got to be at least top 5. And things that grind my gear when it comes to trading. Like, y'all here just being nice and patient, waiting for an L to be potentially handed to you. Like, yo, ain't that crazy?
That's a beautiful part, bro. That's a beautiful thing about trading, bro.
It's a beautiful part. Oh man, it's a Not Miss a Life show. Let me check.
I was telling my partner. He was like, "Hey, bro, I think you really got this down, bro. You're actually pretty good." And I'm like, "You know what? It's when you think you know what you're doing in trading that you get screwed over, bro." So honestly, I'm gonna just take whatever the market gives me.
Right. That's a fact, bro. That's a fact. Normally, this would be an indication, this late, which shows signs of like price respecting the zone. But in today's market, it might not mean shit. It might not be. L is saying 1.5K, I got done already in green. Okay, what are you in some buys or you in Nas? What's going on? Where we at? Oh, when you in Nas. Oh shoot. Okay. I have to read that. I know you in Nas. Let's see. Come on now. Come on now. Let me explain everything. That's everything I need to know. Yeah. Equity markets looking bullish. Oh my goodness.
Yo, my God, I was quiet so long. I'm like, man, I'm managing all these goddamn trades. I'm like, man, let me just take profit because I ain't trying to get nothing back.
No, I feel you, bro.
And I want to pass the challenge. I'm not trying to one-shot it. And man, if Nas keep buying up, I'm gonna be like, all right, whatever. It is what it is. Yeah, I went in I did a 5-minute setup on Nas.
Nice.
Earlier, and then I seen it was respecting it, but those wicks, those pullbacks, yo.
Pullbacks not sweet.
Crazy.
Pullbacks not sweet.
I mean, I think I was like probably about like negative like 500, and then I'm like, you know what? I'm holding my bias because I remember I told myself that, and I was on calls. I'm like, yo, I always change my bias when I look at a little bit of price action, but I gotta hold it because it didn't break underneath my zone. So I'm like, whatever. I was looking at gold, but I feel like gold was a little bit too late for me.
It's fine, bro. We in the trenches right now. We deep in the trenches right now. And it's like price is actually trying to show me breaker block signs, which is concerning.
Okay, all right. So she went below the daily open. She came off a zone.
Yo, guys, not gonna hold you. I'm about to close my trades. And I'm gonna wait for break of structure instead. I ain't with this, bro. I'm not liking how price action is.
Yeah, price is just too flat right now. The EMAs is flat. She's in two zones, man, and they're decent zone's about the same size, so I'm like, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't mind price selling after I'm making this decision. Because last time I held, they was like, oh, I got something for you. You old, great, you Brazilian. Oh, yeah, we like those. Send up the market. No,
I think if you're in sales, your stop loss should just above 1962.
Yeah, that's where it was, and that's exactly where they're looking at. So,
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting out.
Wait, nigga, do your thing.
Yeah, I definitely am looking forward to seeing a confirmation, like a break of structure. If not, that's fine. I'll take my loss. I will, because not gonna lie, it's good to have all these because we know what's going on right now, right? Typically, this would be a big continuation, but no, better or no, you know. But so we gotta make the best decisions, cut losses short. Especially GU is out here buying. Now it's time for gold.
B15 on gold.
Right. Me back on gold real quick. F15, that's what I'm on.
Yeah, look at. I mean, if you zoom out a little bit, you can see from some layer of support.
Yeah, and this could be a sweep, the way 830 did it. So like,
yeah,
it's not too good for bears, bro. The bears have not come through.
And it's a strong 15-minute supply somewhere up around 1966. I feel like liquidity graph sweep, the push up to potential 1966. That could be a possibility, but I don't like price action. I think I'm gonna be done for that. Man, that's Jesus Christ. I was in so low.
Yeah, but I tell you what, here is still looking good though. UCAT still looking good, still respecting the dollar. So
a little break. Oh, that's a break on 1 hour. Okay, let me look at UCAT.
Yeah, index definitely selling. USDPY is still selling, so that's also like the guys. Especially since we just swept JPY, man.
That's the pick.
Yep, out of that pick to trade.
Yo, actually, like you've been swinging because it was buying up for a while. He was trading cryptos.
Yep, let me check the chat. Someone said gold, question mark. Just gold, I just closed gold, guys. Just close gold, just close gold, just close gold.
Yeah, the price action is ugh.
Yeah. It's not too pretty. We clonking up and everything, no, not. It's not what we want to see.
Yeah, funny. I was like, I closed right before opening. I almost felt like close.
Right.
Close down. Like, I closed, and I seen that drop back to my entry. Like yesterday, I was up 2%. I only took one. So this time, I said, you know what? I don't give too much, but I gave a whole $1,000 back to the market. So I was like, wow, I did that.
Yeah, man, it be like that sometimes. But everybody who's watching worldwide, make sure you understand, like, whatever decisions that you make with charts, make sure that you be at peace with it, because at the moment or in the moment, this is the best decision that you saw fit. Right? So, for instance, I just closed my trade. I said, you know what? I'm gonna close my trade because I want to see a rate of structure, just so I know, hey, this is actually going to go where you need. Because I've been in situations before where like I've stayed a little too long when I didn't like how price was moving, and it came to bite me. You know, so there's nothing wrong with waiting for another break of structure and retest, just so you can get more proof, and then you can get back in. All right. I hope that made sense to anybody watching right now.
I'm new. You said a break of structure?
Yep.
Nah, let me stop. I don't feel like trolling.
On Fortunes Funding, so you can stop with.
I did post. I did. Fortunes.
Hey, what kind of?
Hey, look now. Sorry.
Oh no. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. All right. Okay. Oh, I said no.
Yo, it's not bad. I've seen some people complain. I don't know if this is not bad.
All right, so
no, I'm just like, some was like, you didn't like the server, like, don't have. I'm saying the server got unfortunate, but the price is pretty high. I'm gonna be honest.
Not bad. Okay, so gold starting to show signs that it does have some bearish momentum after all. But you gotta be the sacrificial lamb. You gotta close your trades. Like 2 seconds later. Oh yeah, we had that for you. Why'd you get out? So yeah, I know yes, man. Thank you. Will I be doing giveaways? Yes, I said I will be giving giveaways. One lucky winner will win $25K today. I've been seeing a lot of people engaging, so of course I'm going to be choosing randomly. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, because that is where I'm going to be announcing the winner of the giveaway. So make sure you follow me at Sir Hans Felix on Instagram. And yeah, I will be choosing the winner later on. All right. Let's just hope gold gives us what we want. He just might not give. All right. So yeah, look at this. The price is breaking. Seems like retracing, but uh, not too convinced. Not too convinced. Alrighty. So just gonna wait real quick. But at this point, like let's say you guys need to take a trade, then the stop loss area is at 1960.7. Obviously, like that's not too bad. All right. So uh, yeah. So back into the higher time frames real quick. To me, this looks like a area that's clearly really going to be going to the downside, but it's obvious that we need to see the momentum to that. All right, so the fact says there's a fair value gap on gold. Where do you see that, bro? What's time frame? I'm talking about right. Let me see the chat on YouTube as well. Do I trade GA/GJ? I trade GJ, not today. GA, it's been years. I haven't traded GA. Wow. Since when did we do that? I'm telling you, boy. You can't even. That's what you see these days. Woo-wee. Interesting. Very interesting. What? Now let's see. Let's see if this is in turn sweet. Let's make up agency. Okay, looks like price did get to the supply zone that me and my dude were checking out yesterday. We get some structured buy, so we are supply zones. We drop down to the minute. Okay, looks like we got a bigger structure. Okay. Oh, this is definitely what I was anticipating for gold. So, okay, Jerome said there's FVG on the M15 for gold. All right, we'll take a look at that in a second. What time frame is this? We are on H1 for GBP JPY. So, keep guys. Oh, I'm seeing that. So I'm going to stop the Zoom, guys, and jump on the live stream. All right. I think this is definitely a lot of talk to my bandwidth. All right, guys. Cool. All right, so yeah, as far as GJ, at this present moment, if we get a retracement, that'd be cool. So we'll wait for that. Checking back with gold here. Like I want to get in the trade, but I still don't really feel like there's enough volume for my re-entry. So I'm gonna wait because it looks like price just wants to clunk up into this area as well. Yep, this is not the type of price action I want to see. So I'm not getting back in until I see like a better break structure, either to the upside, a retracement, or a break and a retest. And yeah, as far as the other pairs like UCAD, um, much better, much better alternative right now. Paul said, sheesh, the dollar index, the last time it was this low was in March 2020. Let me see if that's the case. Nah, March 2020 was way below that. We're talking about 90.59. That's where price was around March 2020.